Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable fast user switching feature in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click Edit Group Policy. Click Computer Configuration. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand System. Click Log On. Double-click, hide entry points for fast user switching. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Local Group Policy Editor. Fast switching user feature is successfully disabled. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.